Hey smarts. Someone just tried to log into the PlayStation network and bam, error code WS1164495. It seems like the servers are down for maintenance, and I'm not alone. Social media is buzzing with frustrated gamers facing the same issue. I checked Down Detector, and the reports are skyrocketing. So, what can we do? First, hit up the PlayStation Network status page to see if they're officially down. Next, test your internet connection on your PS5. Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection. If that's all good, try restarting your router and modem. Just power them off for about 5 minutes. If it's still not working, it might just be a case of network congestion. Sometimes, all you can do is wait it out and try again later. Let's hope PlayStation gets this sorted soon so we can get back to gaming.